Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the integration by parts method. Integration of u into v equal to u into integration of v minus integration of du into integration of v, which is the standard form of the integration by parts. Now we can take a example, and which is example integration of x square into sin x into dx, which is u is x square sin x v, x square into integration of sin x into dx minus integration of d by dx of x square into integration of sin x into dx into dx. X square's integration of sin x equal to minus cos x minus integration of d by dx of x square is 2x into integration of sin x into dx is minus cos x into dx, which is minus x square cos x minus into minus plus 2 into integration of x into cos x into dx minus x square into cos x plus 2 into integration of x into cos x, means x is u, cos x is v, x into integration of cos x into dx minus integration of d by dx of x into integration of cos x into dx into all dx minus x square cos x plus 2 into x, cos x integration is sin x, and minus d by dx of x is 1 into integration of cos x into dx is sin x into dx, which is equal to minus x square cos x plus 2 into x sin x minus sin x integration is minus cos x plus c constant minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 2 into minus into minus plus 2 into cos x plus c constant, which is the answer. Shortcut method. The shortcut is, first we can take x square differentiation of x square integration of sin x. X square differentiation is 2x, differentiation of 2x is 2, differentiation of 2 is 0. Sin x integration is minus cos x, cos x integration is minus, cos x integration is sin x, minus sin x integration is minus cos x, minus into minus plus cos x, and take plus minus plus minus, cross multiply with this, which is equal to x square minus x square cos x minus into minus plus 2x sin x plus 2 cos x plus c. This is same as the above answer. We can do hardly in 1 minute. The another example is integration of x into cos 2x into dx, which is equal to integration. First differentiation, integration. First differentiation of x, which is integration of cos 2x. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2x integration by 2, and sin 2x by 2 integration is sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2 into 2 is 4. We can take plus minus plus, cross multiply with this. This is x sin 2x by 2 minus into minus plus, which is cos 2x by 4 plus c, which is the answer. We can do it by normal method. X into integration of cos 2x into dx minus integration of d by dx of x into integration of cos 2x into dx into dx. X into integration of cos 2x is x sin 2x by 2 minus integration of 1 into cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 into dx. Again x sin 2x by 2 into minus sin 2x integration is half into sin 2x integration minus cos 2x by 2 plus c, which is equal to x sin 2x by 2 plus cos 2x by 4 plus c. Same answer. And this formula, this shortcut is applicable for when integration of x to the power of n into, which is f of x into dx. We can do differentiation to x to the power of n. F of x is integrated. Here f of x equal to sin x cos x tan x, like that. Now we can take integration of x power n into e power x into dx. Here x power n equal to integration of n equal to 2 x square into e power x into dx. Same formula here also applicable. Here differentiation, integration, x square e power x, 2x, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 2x equal to 2, differentiation of 2 equal to 0, e power x integration is e power x, e power x, e power x, plus minus, cross multiply with this, x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x plus c. E power x common, x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. Another example, integration of x cube into e power x into dx. We can do it directly. E power x into x cube integration is x cube minus x cube integration is 3x, not integration, differentiation. 3x square minus plus 3x square differentiation is 6x. 6x differentiation is 6. 6 differentiation is 0. So plus c. We can take alternative plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. It is applicable to integration of x power n into f of x into dx. Here f of x equal to e power x, e power 2x, so on. Thank you for watching this video.